Okay, so recording has been started. Now today's topic is filter command. Okay, so filter command. What do you mean by filter? What do you mean by filter?
Getting
To
the things what we want.
correct. To actually filter means, yeah, getting the things what you want and eliminating, not eliminating, and leave those things which as it is, which you don't want, right? So suppose
Yes, sir.
filter is like in daily day, you just make tea. Okay, you just make tea, and what do? You just filter the tea bags, tea leaves. Okay, okay, or you can say you filter the tea. Okay, for drinking, for taking it. Okay, and that's what filter is. So what why I'm telling you, because at time in your real world scenario, many things, your table has n number of records, right? But you but you, what is your requirement, what is your actual requirement is different from all the records in the table. Okay, you have the selected requirement. Okay, you have some selected specific requirement. This is most of the cases, 70% of the time. Okay, so just without going much deeper into it, let me explain you these things. So what is filter command? Filter command is basically a where clause. Okay, a where clause. Where clause is a filter filter command. Filter command followed by and, or, greater sign, less than sign, equal to sign, and many more, and many more. Okay, so these are called filter commands. So suppose my requirement is, suppose see in this medical shop dot customer. Let us take this example only. Just I am removing everything so that we can see it. Okay. So first I am running this use medical shop so that you will get a clear picture. I would enter the database. So and now select start from customer. Okay. So see, you can see I have almost I have 12 records. Okay, fine. So now my requirement, what is my requirement? Suppose I am customer, and suppose I am owner of the shop, and I want, and you are the employee of the shop. So I want, my requirement is to calculate the revenue, which medicine, which about cetirizine. So I want to know all the customer name who bought cetirizine. Okay, so in that case I will use filter command. I will filter the cust medicine. So what you filter, you filter based on column. Okay, you will search cetirizine in cust medicine column. Simple as that. So what is your requirement? Let me repeat again. You want all the records of a customer who bought cetirizine. Okay, so and query is so simple. Query is like select star from customer, where, just pass where, and the column name. What is the column name? Cust medicine. This is the way to write the query. Equal to. Now, one thing, you must know what data type of this column is. This you must know. Okay. So what is here the data type? Can you tell me what is the data type here? Can you tell me?
Sir, I didn't get your question, sir.
My question is, you when you filter the command, you will pass the column name in where clause. Okay, where column name equal to, see, select a star from will fetch all the records, and then you will put the filter command where, and the column name, that is cust medicine, and equal to that is the operator, and the name of this medicine you want to filter. What is my requirement? My requirement is fetch all records who who uh, who bought cetirizine, all customer record. Okay, this is my question. Okay, so I just pass the column name and here operator, and I want to know the data type of this. What is the data type? Can you please tell me?
Varchar.
Okay, so varchar is written in single quotes. Okay,
Single quote.
single quote or double quote, whatever you want, that is okay. Okay, and set region, I will pass this thing. Okay, so let me just make a picture in your mind where customer name, what you need to filter, where customer name is set region, right? And select a star from. This is the case. This is so simple. Okay, and now just you execute this, and you will find all the records of the customer who bought set region. All right, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one more thing, one more thing. Just now my requirement changed. My requirement changed that fetch all the customer who bought cetirizine and were from Chennai. Okay, fetch all the customer who bought cetirizine and they were from Chennai. Now how will you proceed? So in this case, you will you will apply this command, select a star from medical shop dot customer where cust medicine equal to select. What is the first criteria? Who bought cetirizine? This was my first criteria. Here two criteria comes, right? First is criteria number one, who bought cetirizine. Okay, who bought cetirizine, and second criteria is what? They were from Chennai. So here two queries I have asked, right? Okay, first, my first prominent criteria is who bought cetirizine, all the customer who bought cetirizine, and they were from Chennai. Means cetirizine, first is cetirizine and second is Chennai. So you will apply simply as per your mind suggests. Just apply and what I should I apply? Just tell me, what should I apply?
Cust medicine.
Cust medicine is cetirizine and they were from Chennai. So what should I apply here?
Cust address.
Cust address. Very good. Cust address equal to Chennai.
Chennai. Single quote. Chennai.
Correct. And now it works. See. Now just set. See. Okay. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one more scenario. One more scenario. Just see one more scenario. And what is that scenario? This is the now I want, just let me okay. Okay. Cetirizine, azithromycin, azithromycin, uh, azithromycin 500, uh, azithromycin 500 and Kolkata cetirizine. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Why you didn't see? Okay, cetirizine is from Calcutta, cetirizine is from Chennai, and cetirizine is of Set region of any more thing. Mumbai. Okay, so I want all the customer name who were fetch all the customer name. Just fetch all the customer name customer cust medicine who were from uh, Mumbai Mumbai and uh, a- Mumbai or uh, Kolkata. Okay, these two things I want. See, the the basic thing, how much you read properly your question, you will be able to answer quickly. SQL is so simple, right? And if you don't understand the question, you will not be even to make even to you will not able to make query properly. Okay, okay. So just read, just I want you to read the first this line, and then use this line. Just read till here, and let me and tell me what to write here. I want you to read.
Select star from medical shop dot customer
Just read it. don't
where
don't do select a star from. Just read it.
where customer name is.
No. Please, just read this line. I want you to read this line till here. Just read it. After that, I will tell you how to select and do all the things. Are you able to read it?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Fetch all the customer name and customer medicine.
Huh. Let's just stop there. Now fetch all the customer name, customer medicine. What is this? What is this? These are columns, right? These are
Yes,
columns,
sir.
right? In real world scenario, your in customer will not give you the client will not give you column name with underscore, right? They will write like this. Okay, customer name, customer medicine. They don't want you no need don't need to give everything to customer only wants the specific thing, right? I have asked you customer name and customer medicine only. Okay, so doing select a star from is a waste. Okay, so you no need to apply select star from. So what will you apply? You apply select both the column name. Okay, first requirement is select cust name, second requirement is select cust medicine. Okay, this is today class is heavy, I know, but this is going to be a 2 day class. I know, because this is for beginner. This is a really something mind twisting. Okay, so I have only two requirements: customer name and customer medicine. So name and cust medicine from medical shop dot customer. Okay, okay. So this area is now completed. Okay, first area is completed. Cust name, cust medicine. Cust name, cust medicine. Okay, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now second part comes. Who were from Mumbai or Kolkata? The answer is in this only. Who were from
Or
Mumbai or Kolkata? So where, apply where, cust address, cust add equal to Mumbai, okay, or Kolkata. Just do that and let's see. Okay, Mumbai or Kolkata. What happened? Let me do is select a star from Mumbai or Kolkata. So Gogia would be there and Gogia, Manish and Alice. Mumbai or Kolkata. Just apply this bracket. I think. Okay. Alice, Bob, Charles. Hmm? Okay. So apply cust address equal to Mumbai or cust address equal to Calcutta. Okay. Alice, Gogia and Manish. And this is also Kolkata because null value I inserted. You can see it. Null value I inserted. And this is also from Calcutta. Okay. So fair enough. Fair enough. Okay. Now I have given you this example because you might find the same column name and apply filter on it. Okay. I know this is a heavy class. I really I know this is a heavy class. See, so you can watch my video again and again to clarify this. I will give you homework on this so that you can uh, clearly observe what is going on. Okay, so let me stop the video.
Yes, sir.
So the viewers who are watching this video, kindly give a like and comment and subscribe this video so that and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification on my video. Thank you.